everybody? Welcome back to another video. Do you think I'm short? I'm really just crouching on the ground. I can show you. And today we are testing a dog whistle on the phone. I mean, like, I'm not really sure if real ones work, but today we're going to test if one on a phone works. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to test this on a dog. There's about 3 dogs here, so yeah. This dog whistle, I'm going to show you the heights. So it goes to 100 Hz to, 100 Hz to 24,000 I guess. I'm not really sure, so I'm going to show you how high it can go. I'm going to show you how high I can go. What? Why does this do this? I'm just in this ad. There's an ad there, so I accidentally pressed the button. So, see, you can barely hear it because it's too low. Yeah, it goes pretty loud. So, guys, you know, dogs wouldn't be able to hear this. It's just really just a vibration. Because I've learned in science class that the higher the sound, like, dogs can hear higher sounds than us. So, can you guys hear this? I'm literally pressing it, and it's on 24,000 right now. 24,000 Hz. Frequency is 24,000. Oh, I'm so bad at this. And the frequency here is 100, so we can't hear any of those because it's too low for us to hear and it's too high for us to hear. But we put it in the middle, yeah, at 11,997, we can hear that. So let's get on and test it on some dogs. Okay, let's go. Wait, is it this way or this way? Oh, it's this way. Okay, buddy, sorry my head's a little sideways. So we have the dog whistle. So we're using it on 100, the frequency of 100. Wow, I'm really bad at this. So, stop. Can you hear the whistle? Stop. Just think that's a no, guys. So, I'm turning it up just a little bit. Okay, I think she can hear it because your ear is moving, guys. So, higher frequency. She can hear that. Well, I know she heard that. I know she did. You heard that, didn't you, Sarah? Oh, that hurt my ears. Okay. Now, the full frequency of 24,000. Oh, hold on. She hears it. You hear it. She hears it, guys. She hears it. She hears it. Yeah, she hears it, son. It works for this dog. I have to lay down to do this, so on to the next dog. Okay, guys, we are on to the next dog, and guess which one it is? Lola. Okay, Lola. Come on, Lola. Lola, I'm over here. Smart dog, really. I'm not being sarcastic, usually. So, guys, we are on same frequency, 100. So let's see. Okay, she can't hear it. See him tapping it. A little higher. Okay, don't think she. Oh, Stella just came over here. That's hilarious, guys. You can't really hear that.
She's gonna have your ears back because you're talking to her. She has no idea what you're doing. Hi, Stella.
Come on. Okay, this dog didn't hear it. Stella did though, like she seriously heard it. She got up for it. Okay. On to the next one, which is probably gonna be really hard. Pinky, your sister. Let's move on, guys. Okay, guys. That is the last dog right here. Pinky, she's extremely shy. Well, very shy, not extremely. So we are on the same one as always. So let's see if it works. Okay, that's a no. Trying to get up a little. Ow. Okay, I don't think she heard that. Or she probably did, just not. Ow! Okay, she's hearing it. She's hearing it better. Okay. Nope, she didn't hear that one. Let's see. 3, 2, oh, darn. 3, 2, what the, why is there so many ads? 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Wait, okay. Okay. Those dogs did not hear it, so guess I'm under a table, and see you next time, guys. Really got nothing else to say.